All right, here we go. Let's get in. I want to know what's in here. Yep, don't forget. If you're a blind guy using a razor, watch your fingers. Or listen for them. You'll know. You'll scream. I promise. I guess y'all get to see firsthand what's about to happen. Anybody know what it is? It's a floor pan for a 70, I think 69 to 72 Chevelle, might be 68. So, there's that. That'll fix a lot of the problems I've got. The biggest problem we're going to come into is that this is only one side. We need two sides. So, I'll set this out of the way. Small box. Bumper brackets. Should be 4 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, yep. Bumper brackets for a 67 Camaro. I guess we're about to get a bumper, ain't we? This. Windshield trim. I'm assuming that's going to be for the Camaro also. See what it says right on the box. '67 to '69 Camaro stainless windshield trim. Uh-oh. I know what this is. I've been excited for this. So, brand new chrome bumper. Not perfect, but it's indeed, it looks good. It's nicer than the one that's there. Oh, that's right, we don't have one. Tag light for the Camaro. These I've been wanting to see if I like them or not. These are LED taillights for the wagon. Because both my lenses are busted out. Anyway, well, that's really cool. All right, so here you go. Here's what they did. They've set it up to where it's still on a factory plug-in socket. So all you do is plug it in, and it just wires right in. These are nice. I think these are going to be extremely nice. So that I'm looking forward to installing. That'll change the whole look of that car. Uh-oh, what's this? It's another bumper bracket. Put this one down. We're not going to throw it. Box is empty. There should be 2 of those taillights in there. Well, unfortunately, it's looking like we're going to have to make a call back to them again, because we didn't receive everything. So here we go. This is what we got so far. Here's what we got so far. We got, like I showed you before, bumper brackets, bumper bracket. Here's the tag light, one tail light, supposed to be two, trim, and a rear bumper. So we'll probably bring that rear bumper back because I want to put it on. So I'll probably do that today at some point. So there's what we got so far, and we'll bring it back as things go. Later.